isiqalile iyadlala ngasho ngathi le maqala ipolitiki kade ngakusho lokho namanje ngiyashima uvise iyadlala thenga upopcorn kuse sihlalo sakho hlale phansi ngithi nje ma commander high discipline high moral focus ma commanders keep the mandate uyazi ukuthi senzani this is akuyona just a political party le yamasosha ke le sesiqalile ke sibaqale ngabe ubusosha angifuni ukukhuluma into eziningi ngihlabe lapha nalapha. Thanks so very much commanders, stay disciplined, stay focused, follow your leadership, ungazenzeli izinto nibonile ukuthi kusisize kanjani ukulalela leadership ngoba lento kulethwa kwamasosha bese izomosha into eziningi kakhulu if nani ngena qala nje nenza umnyakazo nihlonyekiswa abantu ongabona bethu ngoba abantu befuna ukuhlomekisa akubona abantu bethu lapha lapha sebethi hayi ungamane kuliwa hayi akubona abantu bethu lapha ngiyanitshela mina abantu umkhonto wesizwe ulalela leadership awulaleli abantu bangaphandle nicishe namosha ke ngoba bese nesibindi kwazi nawo wonke ama grounds okusupport statement sethu nokupresent icala lesilifake enkantolo if benenze lokho kade nifuna ukwenza bonke kusisize ngalutho lokho ukuthi izwe libuye ngempi nali lizobuya ngephepha. Ngiyabonga ke commanders, thanks so very much bafethu hlale sine discipline njalo silalelane silalele ne leadership. Thank you so very much. Ngiyabonga amaphumulo, salute my brother, thanks so very much ngo live izolo nisenzele wona Queen Lebo, thank you so very much Godole sijabule sibonga nanokuthi benilalela masithi sicela nivala ama comments ngoba bayasiphaza sithi sibukile kuyakhona into eziloko zivala umsuzo la ngezansi owazi bashiya into zabo ngoba yini. Thanks so very much bafethu, keep up the good work all the time. Thank you, we love you guys. Salute commanders, salute continues, the journey continues. Thanks so much.
Siyabonga commander, siyabonga. Yabona Melvin mina angizange ngiwavale mfethu ama comment. I believe ukuthi mfethu every revolution has an engagement, and part of an engagement is to uyabona abantu abathi bayasuzela vele besikakhulumi nabo sifuna ukubona ukuthi baphatheke kabuhlungu kangakanani. So I decided ukuthi I'm not going to close ama comments because ama comments there are people who get into live not to listen what is happening, but is to see ama comment and engage. There are people who are very good in engagement in my comment. Yabo? There are people who can diffuse a person in my comment as abe convinced uthola ukuthi baya-arguisha. Yabo? So mina into engayisho kubantu ukuthi mina ngayifundisa one thing ukuthi into engiyibona ukuthi ayingidingi ngiyadlula kuyona. Yabo? If umuntu ekhomenta la ngibona ukuthi ungikhomentela into ebhedayo but ngiyabona ukuthi ayina value ukuthi singaze ngithikameze ngiyayifundisa ukudlula kuleyo nto leyo ayingithikamezi ke but sabantu asifani yabo. But people are here on live most of the time because of they want to engage in different ways. There are people who go to Facebook and just sit for comments. There are people who actually look at a thing that you think it's funny or stupid, but I mean I'm here for the comments. So it's part and parcel of that. So mina nengixolele kanza kwethu. I think from now on abezwayo abakhona la don't come here and say mina lindani vala ama comments. I'm not going to do that because the invitation that I'm doing here is for everybody and anybody. Those who want to engage in terms of ama comment and stuff. Enye into engifuna ukuyisho bafethu ukuthi kubhlungu kuthina especially mina kubhlungu abantu bakhawunde and then bese befuna ukukulawula ukuthi wenzeni like umuntu akutshela ukuthi iqala live awucabangi yabo njengamanje we sitting at ama likes awu 90. That means njengamanje we've brought in or we've broadcast this in such that there's a number of people that are actually coming in. Every we're sitting at 6.1 and we're growing right now. So uzongitshela ukuthi ngoba wena awuyicheckanga mhlawumbe nge-network number 1 wena side lakho usuthi angiqala live phansi. I remember ngayenza leyo nto always at around about 600,000 kwathiwa ngiqale phansi and I succumbed to that. Guys, we went to about 2 hours. 2 hours abantu ama likes ewodwa they were just sitting at 20 something thousand. Abantu abangale windini they were sitting at about 600. So at the end of the day bafethu abantu abayifundisa ukuba patient babekezele siyazi ukuthi kusuke kungazwakali but it's something that you can't control. Yabo i-network don't make it my fault. Yabo manje ungenza ngibe mubi uze ukuthi yazini ungivele ukuthi phuma ku live umuntu useyakhawunda ukutshela ukuthi iqala u-live phansi omunye ukutshela ukuthi vala ama-comment nani. Yabo mawubona ukuthi into iyaxhaka kungcono uphuma uye kwenye indawo bafethu because nathi njengoba senza live phela sinazo nathi inhliziyo ukuthi ekushuthi mina abantu ngibaphatha kabi mina ngibalethela i-broadcast ebhedayo engena network mina ngibavafuni shuthi all the things that the efforts that I'm trying are bad. So akene sicabangeleni nathi bafethu ukuthi there are things that we can't control. Yabo I can't be controlling everybody lana okuma-comment bese nithi akuvala. Yabo if you feel ukuthi you're not satisfied about those things i-network nani ku-easy abantu bayatshelana bathi asambeni kulindana sambe segodolo kungcono kugodolo asiyekephi because siyinto eyodwa sonke. Yabo I think manje we need to check our own selves ukuthi nathi lokho esikwenzayo bafethu sikwenza ngoba sifisa ukuthi nibone akekho umuntu ongenza ngamasibomu i-network avela ilahlise ebezokhuluma nabantu. Mpempe man umpempe ngani umkhona umpempe sengikusendele invitation yokuvula imic.
Yes ngikhona ngazi noma ngiyazwakala yini.
Okay.
La ngimakhomanda ngiyabingelela.
Uyazwakala?
Ngiyabingelela. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Ngithi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngimbone ubaba wethu iZulu ezosichazela cause besimlindile si-MK asoze saze sajika. Mina ke ngwase KZN kodwa ngila eCape Town ngiwunesi. Njenga sinenkinga ke eKZN singaqashwa sigcolele eCape Town lasikhona. Sinethemba sisumkhonto sonke le Cape Town simane sinethemba ukuthi ngivele kuzosihambela kahle ku-MK siyazi sizobuyela ekhaya siqashwe sisebenze ngake emakithi cause njenga sihlele eCape Town akumnandi ukushiya imindeni yethu imizi yethu abantwana bethu nje sinethemba ukuthi i-MK izashintsha yonke into usizi lwethu. Siyabonga nethemba esizwile izolo mayikhuluma ubaba wethu uMsholozi. Ngiyabonga bengidlulisa nje ukubonga. Ngiyabonga.
No siyabonga kakhulu Commander siyabonga nje. Asithembe ukuthi abantu yabona nje sonke sihlalele ethembeni. Yabona nje bafethu ma comrade sonke la we are bound to feel sad or to feel down. Yabo mina nje kuke kwaba ngibona kusho lutho I can do is let me not make myself a hero. Yabo leyo nto leyo and let me not make myself umuntu